Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your Kwid's infotainment firmware and Android Auto support, then update the car system if needed. Use a certified data USB cable. Cheap cables often fail. On your phone, enable Android Auto in connected devices settings and grant required permissions like location and notifications. Once done, plug the phone into the car's USB port and watch the head unit detect the device. Follow any on-screen pairing prompts to establish the initial connection. Once the car detects your phone, you need to accept permissions and confirm projection mode on the Kwid. You allow contacts, messages, microphone, and location so navigation, voice commands, and calls work seamlessly. Make sure the infotainment source is set to Android Auto and not Bluetooth or USB audio. If prompts ask to set Android Auto as default for wired connections, accept it. Also, tweak your phone's battery and screen timeout so the display stays active while driving. This avoids sudden disconnects. Now confirm everything. Start navigation, make a call, and use voice commands to ensure responses are immediate and audio routes correctly. If the system is laggy or disconnects, first restart your phone and the Kwid head unit, then swap to a known good data cable and try another USB port. If problems persist, check for phone OS and car firmware updates and install them. As a troubleshooting tip, perform a head unit factory reset only after backups, because it often clears stubborn pairing corruption and typically resolves persistent Android Auto failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.